Welcome. What's going on, Kirktown? Welcome. Yeah, let's go. Well, we're still a bit early here, so waiting for the big moves, right? And we have news at 10 a.m. Yeah. I've been waiting since I logged off. All right. Well, I'm glad you're back. You know, that's all that matters. I mean, I'm glad you stayed. All right. So far, pretty quiet. Nothing's going on. Everything is pretty much quiet here. Eventually, the short came through and we got back down to those order blocks that we were talking about earlier. So I think that's good. That is good. Oh yeah, we have to be careful. No trading. No trading until after the news. All right. So far, we are at this 15-minute / 5-minute order block. Could be dropping lower to that 5-minute level. Sorry. And to the left here is this level that I really would like to be taken out. That 5-minute order block zone. What's the distance? I think we can go down there. 60 points, easy. Easy drop, right? At the open. Just to break through 404. All right. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. Okay. I think I'm gonna trade some take profit trader accounts too. At least that's what I'm planning here. Yeah, that would be great. See it go lower. Okay. Yeah. So we might gonna just go sideways. 10 a.m. Yeah, it's still have time. Anyway, it was a really interesting session. Swept the high there. I'd like to see this one going down. Basically, this London low 404 could be a nice target down there. I would really love to see that being taken out. That would be really something. Good morning, MB Trader. Yeah, break profit trader is the best. Anyway. Anyway, the daily candle looks like a bearish pin bar, pretty much. Excuse me. Looks like a bearish pin bar. All right. Anyway, not much is happening. Coffee is still hot. Let's see. All right, all right. How far this will go? How far this will go? Just keep on waiting. Let's just keep on waiting. All right, slowly it could go down, taking out that, what's the level, 38 here. Let me get this off here. Yeah, 38.50. Might want to go for it. Yeah, it's going down. Come on. Almost went down. Should be breaking that level now. I'm not in a trade, by the way. Okay, let's wait for the open. I think, I mean, I would like to see the 5-minute order block being tested. maybe go lower down to the 380s, 70s, 50s, 60s to reprice that gap, and then after that, let me just check. We might go lower, 19,080-ish level. Yeah, that should be the next target. Let me put a line there. Possible sell side liquidity right here. But first we have to go down to previous day low. And that's why the low hanging fruit would be that 5-minute bullish order block. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. What to do? Well, MB Trader, it's mostly because I don't want to risk too much. So risk management is like really crucial if I want to keep my accounts. And also I cannot handle the stress on a funded account on the mini. But let's just go with the risk management way here. On a 50k account, because I mostly trade 50ks, on the 50k account, most of the prop firms give you like $2,500 threshold. So in reality, the buying power or leverage that you have is $2,500, right? That's what you're paying for. You're purchasing $2,500 worth of buying power. Actually more, by the way, because you're getting a lot more, but that's what you have. Now, in reality, if you would put your own personal money, $2,500, into your personal trading account, I would highly doubt that most of the traders, or most of you are, even including myself, would be trading minis, not even with one mini. You know, a bad trade can wipe out a significant portion of your account. So, for example, if you have an account that is above the safety threshold and you're just working for the profits, you can make $200 or $300 or $500 easy with 1, 2, 3, 4 micros, depending on which session are we in or how the market is moving. So once you can make $200, $300, $400, $500 with micros, which is extremely possible. I mean, that is not even a big deal. I mean, absolutely possible. Without risking too much, and you have like you don't even need 20. You have like 3, 4, 5, or 6 funded accounts, and you rotate them. You're not even copy trading them. Then obviously, I think you can make a pretty nice standard income on a monthly basis. That would be the first step. And if I can, you know, get better. I mean, as time goes by and you're getting better and better, then you might be able, or you would like to go with more contracts. But we always have to ask the question: how long do we keep these funded accounts? I would be curious from any one of you guys, or by anyone, how long does a prop firm trader holding his or her funded account without blowing it. You know, I would be curious. My longest time that I was able to keep a funded account was almost 100 days. 100 trading days, that is. 96, I think it was 94 or 96 trading days. That was the longest time. And, you know, the goal would be to keep those accounts and get not just one payout but multiple payouts from the same account. Like right now I'm receiving my second payout from a Bulenox account, and I hope I can get to way above 3 payouts from the same account, not just because there's going to be no withdrawal limit, but it would be just better. Anyway, yeah, no problem. And Betrayer is just, you know, that is how I feel. Maybe there are some people out there. For example, you guys might be familiar with JadeCap, you know, one of ICT's students. And yeah, he is trading like 30 funded accounts, copy trading. And JadeCap, and he's taking like hundreds of thousands of dollars. Last month he made like, I don't know, 200,000, 100,000, I don't know, from prop firms alone. And he's trading micros, 2, 3, 4, 5 micros. But he has 30 accounts, right? So there you go. Woo, look at this. All right, popping lower. Next stop would be 391. Actually 404. Should be taking out the low here. I think it should be taking out that low, in my opinion. Because right below that, there is the 5-minute order block. I think it should be taking it out. Well, we'll see. We'll see. The market is about to open. We are about to see some movements here. Gotta be careful. It can just skyrocket all the way up there. 4 more minutes. Bravo! Hello there. How's it going, Bravo 6? Okay. Let's see. Does this one go down, or we should be taking out that level, by the way, that 404. 404, I would say that should be taken out sooner or later. Maybe first it wants to push higher, you know, reprice some levels. Could be a possibility. And then maybe it will try to go down there. Anyway, still have 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Yesterday was not good at all. Don't worry about it, Bravo. Yesterday was an absolute slaughter. You know, it was carnage. Yesterday was, wow, absolutely, like, that was very bad. And let's see, for now we have a market open in about 1 minute and 37 seconds. Hey, code motherfucker. The obvious code. All right. Let's see what is going on here. We have 1 more minute. 1 more minute. All right. Let's see if it wants to take out that low, or maybe test that bullish order block down there. I will be curious about it. Ah, it worked. Yeah, of course it worked, man. You have the cool name now. Let's see. Let's see the market open. Yeah, sure. No problem. All right. 10 seconds. And here we go. The market is open for business. Be careful, it can go up there, squeeze everybody. There could be some stops above 468. So, you know, just be careful. Okay, so far hovering here. London low is 404.50. News coming out in 30 minutes. Let's see. Who knows where it wants to go? Could be a squeeze happening real soon. Okay, here comes the squeeze, I guess. All right. Coming back. All right, watching this closer. All right, going down. Next target 404, and there she goes down to the bullish order block. Boom. Just as we expected it. Wow, what an open. Now everybody's gonna wait for news. Actually, it didn't quite go down there. The 391 is still there. It's still there. And if I look to the left, yeah, that's still untouched. So, not down here, down there yet. Is this gonna go down? What's the plan here? Is this gonna touch that level? Okay, it did that. Nice. Yeah, Greg, yeah. New York opened 3 minutes ago. Exactly. Exactly. So now that we mitigated that order block, it might just turn around and try to take those highs again. Not sure. Let's see. Okay. All right. There's not much to do until the news, to be honest. Just the waiting game. It's just the waiting game. Let's wait. And see. Wait and see. Okay, it could be a turnaround here. Even if it makes a proper entry, you know, I just can't take it because of the news. I don't want to take it because of the Jolt's job openings. And let's look at the higher levels. 702. 702 would be a nice level to go to. I will be aiming for that for now. Yeah. 1 hour fair value gap. Slash CB. Let's keep it that way. And there we go. That's what we're waiting for. I mean, it looks good. It looks good, to be honest, really. Maybe I'll try it, but you know, before the news, it's a little bit risky. Maybe with 1 micro I can do it. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, it's pushing it real hard up there. Look at this push. Entered longs at 430. TP 700. All right. Yeah, 702. I like it. 700 is good. Even if you want to make sure early profit taking is going to happen around 690s, I'm sure even retail and big players are going to take profit earlier. Let's go. Let's go. By the way, I could have entered the long position here. Wow. And I didn't. I didn't. Missed my entry. Well, too late for that. Too late for that. It's just gonna go. It should be taking out 580. As I said, the problem is the news. Yeah, that's the only news we have today. All right. Oh, and Trump. Trump is going to speak later. All right. Yeah, could be. Could be. I agree. This one could be that trade. Yeah, maybe. I think so too. I mean, I would not enter a trade right now. Have to wait for the news release. That's the best thing we can do now. Wait for the news release. All right. Coming back down into the gap. Okay. All right. That's interesting. And of course, this would be the first gap. The so-called first presentation gap, which everybody is so much overwhelmed. Okay. This would be the first presentation gap. Let's give it a different color. Okay, so far so good. Well, I think you have a good odds. I was thinking to enter, but you know, but I think it looks good. It looks good on the upside there, and I think 700 is a real good target. Is an absolutely good target. Look at that. Let's go. It's all right. All right. Still sideways. I think it's gonna break the 583. But until the news, we might just gonna stay like this. Okay. Okay, going down again. Hit the 30% consistency. Let's go. All right. Well, you can still trade, you know, more. You just have to make some more profits. That's a good one. Nice. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody's waiting for the news release. Man, what is happening? What is happening? Just sideways action. What is gold doing? Gold is up there. Okay, that's nice. How far did it go? Okay, this was the London session. Still wants to go. Okay. Took liquidity from up there. Yeah, gold has made a very nice move to the upside. I would be curious to see how this will go. And there she goes, NQ. Wow. No stopping. Took out these highs. Next stop up there in the 600s. Well, seems like we're moving. This would have been a nice entry. I kind of missed it. How far can we go? $700 is the level that I think it could be happening. It's pretty much possible. And we didn't really go up to the 600 here. All right. Should be breaking the 600 now. Just saying. Almost. It did go to 600, right? Almost. All right. News are coming out in about 8 minutes. We're stuck below the 600 here. Yeah, Kirktown news are coming. Exactly, we're waiting for the news. Exactly. Just gonna sit here and wait for the news event. Maybe we'll have some moves here. I think it could rip through the 600 up there, but I'm not sure. It's now repricing a little bit lower. It might want to go down. Look at this. We have this first gap here, and we have these lows down there. I'm not sure if that's the target, but it was a quite a big drop here. So I don't know if it wants to get back to the first fair value gap just before the news. No, they didn't change the promo. 30% off, no activation fee. So all right. What does it want to do? I wonder if it wants to reprice lower or just gonna skyrocket higher from here. Anyway, let's wait. We have 4 minutes. Yeah, it's the 30%. All right. I mean, I'm happy if it's 50%. Actually, if it's 50%, then go for it. You know, everybody go buy it. 50% is a good deal right now. If there's a 50% promo. Yeah, 3 minutes. Get prepared. I think we could see a pump to those highs. I think it's pretty much possible. 2 minutes to go. Let's see. Maybe some news is gonna leak out a minute before. All right. Repricing that area. We're in the last minute here. All right, let's go. Let's see the news. What are they expecting? They're expecting good news, right? Forecast. So yeah, positive news. That's what they're expecting. All right, let's see. 10 seconds. I'm curious, actually. Spiked lower a little bit. Kind of interesting. Okay, so it picked up liquidity from down there, and now I feel like it might want to go up there again to the 600s. Okay. It did go up there. So 600 is taken, which is awesome. Okay, now it's going down again. What the heck is going on here? Now, if we want to go lower, we need to see a displacement below this wick here on the 1 minute. So I might, I don't know. Maybe I take a short, but I don't know. Not until we don't see a proper displacement to the downside. Okay, going lower. Is this close below? Yeah, it closed below. All right. So we might gonna get ready to short. Yeah, it could be a tricky one. I cannot go lower than that. Yeah. I might take a trade. And go short. Only if it goes back up there. Maybe not. Okay, now it's taking out the low. Okay, never mind. I'm not taking a limit order. No trades for me. No trade. Could be taking out the 343 as the low of this demand zone. Excuse me. Allergy. Or it could be just a seek and destroy, you know, going down and then going up and down. Who knows? What do you guys think? Okay. All right, I'm not entering a trade on this. Still just waiting. So what's the opinion? Any of you guys are in a trade? Only Shahid there. Oh, didn't see you there. Somehow my OBS is not displaying. Oh, now I see you. Okay. I have instructed Secretary of Commerce to add additional 25% tariff to 50% on all steel and aluminum into the United States from Canada. Jesus, 50% tariff. Oh, wow. That's crazy, man. Yeah, Kirk. That's true. That is crazy. I mean, okay. Huh. Wow. That is like, that is not nice. That is not nice from Trump. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to go into politics. I don't have any issue with anything, but I don't know if it's nice or not. Is if it's good for the US, you guys know it. I don't know. I'm not an expert. It's up to you. Next is you on the tariff. Oh, maybe. Don't even say that. I hope they're not gonna put a tariff on the OnlyFans page. Okay, I still think that we have a chance to go to 700 up there, except if it's not a seek and destroy day. So gotta be careful and ready. How far is this gonna go? Testing 10 a.m. Open now. Yeah. Interesting. We might get through here. I'm actually tempted to try something. I don't know. Maybe to go long. Not sure. All right, interesting moves here. Going down. Going down. First fair value gap is here now. I'm not sure if it's gonna hold it. Let's see if it's gonna bounce from this area or it's gonna trade through and just keeps on going lower. On the 15-minute, it's pretty much like almost like a seek and destroy. I'm deleting this. And also, it can go to the lows here if it wants to go. And that's a big if. Okay. Let's wait for it. Okay, it seems like it wants to go lower, picking up liquidity here. Let's see if this is gonna be enough, or just wants to get lower. I think it just wants to get lower here, right? Pretty much seems like it. Seems like it's trading through this first gap, and it might want to approach that 5-minute order block down there again at 91, and maybe even try to break it. Hey, Byte Media. Yeah, crazy, absolutely. Yeah, I like the longs too, but it's something I don't know if I should trust, or anyone should trust this. It's it doesn't seem like a good area to hop in a trade, but I mean, it can go. I like the 700s up there. Looks okay. It looks okay-ish. First fair value gap is holding for now. Who knows? Let's wait for it. We are right in the middle. Oh. I mean, if it trades below the gap, maybe for a scalp I can jump in. You know, for the drop. All right. Yeah, I took the trade for the low here. Where is it? The problem is that there is a slight delay here. Oh, I'm out. I had to close it. I had to close it. I don't feel comfortable with it. I don't feel comfortable with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit on my hand and wait. So far, I'm in the green for the day, so I don't wanna mess it up. I took trades in the London session. Here's my trades in I took trades in London. And I copy traded that. I made $100, 111 on the Apex account. Getting closer to that payout again. This one made almost $200. This Bulenox account is up $119. And this one is up $242. And I had a trade on this Take Profit Twitter account, which is almost at $3,000, but I can't pass it today, so I still have to trade it, but it's getting very close. $42, $41.50 to get past for being funded again on these ones. So the other ones I had no trades on. So we just waiting. Just waiting. Oh, I did the best decision to close this trade down there. That was the best decision I could do. And now just waiting. Exactly. Yeah. Break even on that account. The account that I took the trade on was a brand new Apex account, which was this one. So I'm down. This was the first trade, the previous one. I am down 6 cents. So, but it's okay. Slow moves, slow moves. Gotta be careful. I'm green and took no trades. Not in the New York session, at least. Upcoming breakout in the bond market. Yeah, could be. Oh, TLA Trader, by the way. I received your email and watched your video. And thank you so much. I'm going to check it out. Thank you for the video. I checked it. I forgot to reply. I just checked it before the stream. It's interesting. So thank you for that, TLA. Yeah, definitely looking into that closer. Thank you. All right, going down. Should be taking out the 343. Is this gonna go lower? All right. What's up, Kirktown? What is up, Kirktown? What? Tell me. I told you, 343. Breaking the order block down there. I'm waiting for this freaking entry, which is not happening yet. You guys want to know what I drink? Anyway. Should be breaking that 343. There you go. We have it now. And next level is... Okay, there you go. Never mind. Levels are broken. All right, let's see. Still going lower, maybe. Let's see. Ah, nice. Congratulations, MB Trader. New funded accounts. Let's go. Any trader is good. There's a flat candle here on this area at 280. $278.25. I don't think we're gonna go there now. I would like to see a structure before I take any trade here. Oh my, just waiting. 1K on Take Profit Trader Pro? Jesus. Kirk. Kirk. What did you do? You know what? You deserve the applause. Congratulations, Kirk. 1K on the Pro account. That's an excellent profit there. We draw tonight. Let's go. That is how you do it. No structure yet. I'm looking for a shift above 385. Still no entry. Still no entry. You use 1 mini. Woo. And got 1500. Let's go, man. With 1 mini. Now that is absolutely a nice job. Alright, nothing is moving. Ah, man. What is happening? Going lower. 279 maybe. Maybe it's going for the 279. I'm not sure. I'm gonna put on the lights here. Hey, stop loss hunter. What up? Well, I was just looking for a possible long position, and now it seems like we're dropping, which is not a problem, but I feel like it just wants to go lower and lower. Next sell side is down here, 212. Yeah, FNQ. Oh man, I'm sorry. It seems like you had a hard day with it right now. Well, hey, you should maybe switch to ES. You know, stop loss hunter. It moves slower, and you know, I know it's kind of crazy. I know. It is definitely a crazy market. Or crude oil. Yeah, there you go. Crude oil is also good. Look at that. It's moving nicely in the New York session. Actually, look at that. Some good trades here. Actually, I'm gonna do a backtesting session maybe about crude oil, but only in the New York session. That would be interesting. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Hey, it's still doable. Minus 500 is not the end of the world. Even on a smaller account, you know. Shorted this morning, stop loss. Saw the second trade. I was like, yeah. This is what happens, stop loss hunter. And you know, when you really don't feel it, it's just the best to step away. You know, step away from the market and do something else. And seems like we're just going lower to the 212. I don't want to chase it. That's the problem. I just don't. I don't want to chase this. Yeah. Oh man, waiting for a shift. September low. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I can imagine anything by now. Yeah, thank you. Hey, stop loss hunter. You know, just chin up. You know, everything will be awesome. I know. You know, go with crude oil, and you know, take it slow. You can make it back to 500. I know. So anyway, thank you for being here on the stream. And you know, tomorrow is a new day, new opportunities. Oh yeah, I can imagine $1 million, of course. I would love to have $1 million right now. Okay, look at this. What is happening here? I might gonna place a trade on this. Oh yeah, by the way, exactly, stop loss hunter. So don't compare yourself to others. That's very important, really. Like, that's actually something you really want to avoid. Because everybody trades differently. others are doing might not be working out for you. So yeah, and it's actually just putting you in a bad mood. High expectations maybe, or whatever, you know. Just don't Okay, enter the long position. Um let's see. Let's see that long position. Um what am I doing? Okay, here's the long position. Let's go. Let's go. I hope it will reprice that. What was the first gap here? This one. We might go back there. Who knows? It would be great. All right. Let's see. Uh-oh. It might go lower. 212.25. I don't like that. Okay. All right. This is not moving yet. As much as I would like it to move, it's not moving. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 212.25, maybe. Maybe I made a mistake here, but hey, I just followed the rules and I took the trade when I saw the opportunity, but it might be not enough. Well, it's just going lower. I might close this one. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's gonna hit the stop. It's getting weaker and weaker here. No, I don't like this. Come on, go higher. Yeah, inverse edge. I'm actually in a long position here. I'm in a long trade, but it's very dangerous because we have sell side at 212.25. So I'm looking for this to get up to this fair value gap if it can. So it's dangerous. It is dangerous. Let's see. Can it get up there? Go. 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 Go now. You're holding a short from 422. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Hey, it's Trading Star. What's going on? No, I'm in. I'm just sitting here patiently. Oh my God! So one of us should win, and the other might lose. Yeah, I like this trade. It looks good for now. At this particular second, it looks good. So. So I'm not sure. To Quant W. Oh, let's go then. Okay. I'm curious if it wants to go up there or not. Can we get this? It actually... Oh, no. You know what? I'm gonna close it. I don't care. I'm closing it. I closed it. I don't care because I totally forgot that as soon as it actually went into the fair value gap and it immediately rejected down there. I mean, from up there, it could pull back all the way down to the 50s. And I just don't want to hold it in this. This is a difficult market condition right now. And, but I would say that, yeah, look at that. That was the reason I took it early. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. The rejection, as that's why I'm watching quant hour charts as well. The rejection, and it's now going back down. It might go up there again, but you know, today's market is difficult, and I just took the W, and that's it. The doubler. Now all we need to do is pray for inverse edge for the short to play out. But hey, it was good. I liked it. So look at this pullback. Best decision to get out of there. In my opinion, it might reprice and still go higher into the gap, but not sure. Okay, it's repricing this gap, and this is why it's kind of an important level because it just rejected strongly from that gap up there at 418-ish. So it could go down for that 212. And yeah, look at that. Wow. All right. Going sideways a bit. What's the timer here? We are at 11 a.m., right? Oh, look at that. Whew. Oh, wow. Best decision to get out from that trade. How many ticks? To 64.60. Whoa. $4.40. Look at that. Wow. Wants to go down to the 66. Careful, careful, careful. No, stop loss hunter, no. Oh man. Don't trade for it. I mean actually I'm thinking to stop trading for the session as well because I don't want to give back profits. Look at that. Is this gonna go back there? Stop loss hunter, you did good. 600 is still okay, but you need to let it go for the rest of the day, I think. For me, it's the same. Like, if I'm down about $600-ish, I know that that's a red flag that I need to walk away. So I think it's fine. This is the perfect time, to step away and continue with crude oil. Yeah, and also, stop loss hunter, you should size down. Trust me on this. Really, I'm saying this. I'm looking at the camera now. I'm saying this with all my honesty. Just size down to micro and you will do better. Trust me, the stress and the anxiety, everything is going to go down. Size down to micro. Trust me on this. Anyway, you did. Then size down lower. Lower than micro. I don't know what's the lower. Nertendo is here. Hey, welcome. Oh, I see. Okay, stop loss hunter. Okay then. Okay, it's fine then. How you doing, Nertendo? How's the day so far? All right. What is going on? Took a hit. Oh. Stop trading honestly. Well, then that's what you have to do, stop loss hunter. You need to go there. You need to trade a crude oil then. On your small account, you took the hit. Okay. Yeah, because everybody wants fast profits, you know, stop loss hunter. Everybody wants to do instant gains, including myself. Come back for PM session. Maybe I can do that. Maybe. One like so. Negative $7. You're basically break even. Nintendo, let's just say you're at break even. That is good. That's break even. Plus 300 on your small personal. Let's go. 300 is good. Yeah, Josef, Hungarian fellow trader, is saying it's a disgrace what is happening right now on NQ. I feel you there. Yeah. I know. I know. We want fast girls. I mean, yeah. We want that. If I stick with CL beside, I would have green for 2 days. I mean, just, you know, try it, stop loss hunter. Just try it for a week or something. I don't know. If you see it's working out for you, you should know it in a week or two. Then, you know, yeah. Just do whatever you can to stick with the same market. I know what you mean there. Look at this, man. Oh my god. It's a bad issue. Yeah. I'm your NQ dad. What if this one's gonna go up there? My original TP was 2475. 2475 was my original TP. Is this gonna hit it? So if I did not close the trade, look at this. It's gonna go to 2470. Oh my god, look at that. So if I'm not closing the trade early here, obviously it would be a roller coaster, and then it would have hit my TP. Wow. Now that is really something. Yeah, it does that because it's really doing some crazy stuff. And by the way, the 5-minute chart on NQ, definitely not looking good. You know. Believe it or not, for NQ, I'm expecting the candle to tag 640. You know what? I think it can go 640. I kind of agree with you there. I like it. Kind of like that idea. 39.50 on the micro, but yeah. Why not? A real seek and destroy pattern. No, it's not. It actually it's a classic entry, but this was a very difficult drop here, going down. I think this is a prime example of why you should stick to your plan, even though I exited manually up here just before my TP. But and down here I could have said, okay, I made a good decision. But anyway, it seems like it's going. And we're back to the first fair value gap, by the way. And the order block has actually been activated, maybe. Oh, the dealing range. Ah, I see. Okay. Well, could go. Could go. And it's going. It's been fun. Won't be watching again. But please drop in sometimes to the stream. Yeah. Yeah. Just, be careful. Be careful. I hear the name in the. I'm sure about that. But hey, don't leave us. We need you in the stream here. And hey, try crude oil for the next few days. See how it goes. Yeah, I think it might want to go up to that new day opening gap soon. No, we have a new week opening gap higher. Order block tagged. Oh, Green. Sorry, I didn't see you. Man, I'm reading the chat upside down everywhere. Green, good to see you. New York session is good. Let me do a recap for you guys on the accounts that I've traded. One Apex account is up $111. This one is on the second cycle for a payout. I only need 2 more days, and I'm requesting 1,000-ish something. This one is a brand new Apex account, only up almost $200. Same. This was the second trade, $172. This Bulenox account is hopefully tomorrow is the payout. I mean, as it should. This other one made 119. It's getting closer to a payout level now, which is awesome. It's almost at $3,000. And this one made 242 bucks, up $2,080. And I made new accounts with Take Profit Trader. This one is also almost at 3,000, but there's a 50% consistency rule, and today I made 1,500, almost 1,500. So I'm just gonna trade it tomorrow or the next day, and these are the ones that I traded. So yeah, exactly. Definitely stop loss 100. I keep us updated about your crude oil progress. I'm really curious about it. Definitely. I might even take a few trades on it. Yeah, it's you know, imagine if you're getting more and more accounts above the safety net and close to to payout levels. Let it be just $1,000 per account, or you know, you can rotate them. You can actually make a few $1,000s per month, and it's absolutely possible, especially with the take profit trader accounts. All right. What is happening here? What is happening? All right, Kirk. I know I'm pushing them. Really, I know I'm aware that I'm pushing take profit Twitter, partially because I really like to take those payouts on the daily basis. I'm aiming for it, and of course I'm affiliated with them, and I think they're really doing something awesome, and it's a business for me. So, yeah. Yeah, Kirk down. Especially then. Especially. But yeah, I do appreciate any one of you guys who's using my code at any of these platforms. I said that and I will repeat that. I'm grateful for it. Oh really? Hey, thank you. On Friday. Thank you so much, Kirktown. I appreciate it very much, man. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Man, what is going on? I actually, the thing is right now is that we're stuck in this first fair value gap. I don't want to take a trade here, so I don't want to take a trade. But the price action, I mean, it was very tricky, but at least it was moving. What's the range? What's the range here? 350 points range. I think it's pretty good. I mean, usually, for example, on holidays we have like 50 points and 60 points and then something like that. Oh, thank you so much, Stop Loss Hunter. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it really. I mean, I don't have a Lambo in the background, but you know, I can do it with my old BMW in the garage. But hey, we'll do it. I need to get a better laptop though to be able to stream from there. Everybody, I must say, AK4, yeah, that's better. The AK is better. What is this? Okay, nothing. So, okay, never mind. So what I want to say is that no salutations. You know, like this. Yes, sir. I was just a corporal, you know. in the military. I was just corporal rank, so 2 p.m. Yeah, Kirk. I mean, what I want to say is that I think this is it for me in this session. I think we had a good time, fun time. Did we had a good trade. Okay, and we're in the green. I cannot promise to come back in the PM session, but maybe for scalping only on evaluation accounts. Only evaluation account scalping, maybe. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I think this is it for me. I don't want to give back profits. I really enjoyed the day. Tomorrow I'll be back for the London session and New York as well. And real folks, send me. I'm curious about it. I'm gonna check it out. So I'll be back tomorrow, London and New York session. I appreciate everybody. I removed the NQ. Yeah, just tone your wrist down. 200 pointers. Jesus, let's go, real folks. Nice. I know you can bring it back. So stop loss 100. I know you can. Try crude oil, and I think it'll be fine. Anyway, thank you. Thank you for the support. We had a great day. And be safe for the rest of the day. I love you all. I salute you. And mostly, God bless you all. And I'll be back tomorrow for London, all right? Cheers, everybody.